Good afternoon, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screens once again. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the results of the hot oil treatment, and then I'm also going to be shampooing and like doing a hair mask with you guys in today's video. So without any further ado, actually before, I am working on, it's load shedding currently. I thought, you know, in the summertime we'll be able to have electricity throughout, but Eskom is Eskoming. So yeah, so whatever percentage, I think I have 2 bars on my cameras left, the battery becomes flat. You guys must know that I tried, I can't charge, I don't have electricity. So without any further ado, let's get ready into today's video. So I'm using like what you call natural lighting, and I actually like it. Also, I'm using like a different camera setting because of that. Some of you guys said in my previous video that you know, you haven't been hot oiling. Please do. Your hair needs it, your hair loves it. Just thank it. So let's do close-ups to see how my hair looks like. Oh, my hair is looking real juicy. She's looking real juicy. Oh wow, you guys see that? Oh, you see how my curls are like so defined, and I didn't even do anything. It's just oils. Oh, and my thing is, like, you can see how shiny my hand is. That's the oil. But you know how, like, if you do a hot oil treatment with like different oils, they kind of like slide off your hair and sit on top of your hair. But I think I could be onto something. Hey, let's look at that shine. Oh, y'all seeing that? Y'all are seeing that. Okay, let us inspect the ends. Okay, I think I might be due for a trim, but like a tiny trim, nothing insane. And you guys can see how healthy my hair is just in general. Look at that. That's like towards the end. I think that's shedding. Yeah, so I think I might just do a trim with you guys sometime later in the month. Yeah, but this is a piece of hair. Oh, y'all are seeing that. Look at that. The proof is in the pudding. Come on, y'all see that? You have to try this recipe. If you've already bought stuff from my business, from African Curiosity, holla at me and I'll be able to help you recreate. If you've ever had a fresh chocolate cake that's moist, that's how my hair feels like. Y'all see that? You see the shine check. Ooh, let me know in the comment section if you're gonna be trying this out. Ooh, I love this. And it's like super lightweight. Like my hair is not like dry. You can tell that the oils have sunk in beautifully into my hair. But anyway, let me go wash my hair. Let's go shampoo real quick, showing you guys me shampooing my hair. And then you guys see those muscles? Y'all see that? Don't play with me. So I picked this up from Clicks. It's the Kaio, I think, happiness in a bottle mask. This is a pomegranate and argave, I'm not sure how you say, extract. It's for coily hair. That's actually why I picked it up. They say that you can leave it on your hair for about 10 minutes with a shower cap on. Okay, so they've put some little, you know, facts about our hair, and then they also tell us that this product contains pomegranate oil, which is packed with antioxidants, vitamin C and E, which are said to improve overall health of your hair. And the agave, I'm not sure how you say agave, I'm not sure how you say it, is a humectant that extracts and holds water. So okay, but I feel like there's barely any product in here. This is like half of the container. Oh, this is half of the container, y'all. I've never used this before. This is the first time. Look at that. You guys see that? Oh, it's like half of the freaking container. If it's echoing, sorry you guys. I think this might be expired. Look at that. It's like, it's not supposed to look this way. And it's hard. There's some parts that are like hard and they're like clumpy. I don't know how to explain it, but this is not how a mask is supposed to look like. You guys, okay, hold on. Let my settings darker so you guys can see. You guys see that? Do you see that it is like clumpy. It has like, you know when something has dried out and then they mix it and then it still has the lumps of the dryness in it? This is what's going on in here. And then the sides of the container are dry with product. The product has dried on here. And then you guys can also see in terms of like the amount of product that's in here, there's like half of the container. I've never used this before. I just bought it and I've been waiting to use it, and I thought today would be a great day to use it. And it's just clumpy. You see here, you guys see that? You see that? Like, it's clumpy. I don't know how to explain it. It's like it has lumps in it. Yeah, you see, this is like one of the lumps here, this part here that I'm, what the fuck? Oh god, I don't even remember how much this was. I think it was like 100 rand. I think, I'm not sure. There's lumps. You see this? This is a lump. You guys see that? This is not how your hair mask is supposed to look like. I promise, it's not supposed to look this way. And why is it only just half of the container? I'm quickly going to rinse this off, apply this mask, and see how it goes from there. I'm going to start applying this and try to move as quickly as possible because I am a fan of applying products while your hair is extremely wet. So I suggest that you apply your products while your hair is like soaking wet, and hence why I bagged the other part of my hair. But so far the product is working just fine. I'm not sure if it's because it is expired, but that's how it looks like. So I'm just going to, it's giving me a lot of slip, that's for sure. Like very slippery, like extremely slippery. It's almost like slimy, if that makes sense, but not really slimy. This is how she be looking. You see that? It's definitely doing what a mask is supposed to do. Maybe I'll go sit with my plants. Yeah, let me go do that. Let me go sit with my plants, listen to some music, and just have a chill Saturday. Guys, it is, it's like 7 o'clock right now. No, it's like 6:30 evening time. And the day went by, you know, I got busy as always. Actually, I'm lying. I put on this deep conditioner, spent time with my family, and then I passed out. I was so exhausted, so I was like, you know what, it is what it is. I'm not gonna stress myself. Also, this camera setting, I actually like it. We are using bathroom lights because, yeah, anyway, the electricity is back, as you can tell. It came back like an hour later after I recorded and put on the hair mask. So let us do the reveal. I didn't go to the gym, it's rest day, but it was an active rest day, so I did go for like a 3-kilometer run. Well, it wasn't a run, it was like a walk, and then I ran a bit and then I continued to walk. I realized that I used to be like a proper runner, but now couldn't be bothered. Okay, she feels good. Okay, all right, okay. Ooh, my hair definitely feels extremely, oh, y'all see that, right? If I had mousse, I would do a wash and go. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see me do a wash and go. But look at how cute that is, because I think this is probably how my wash and go might turn out. I am gonna email them and ask them if the state in which I found the mask in is supposed to be that way, because I could have been the one who was bugging, you know, but I don't think so. And I'm also gonna ask them, like, was it supposed to be half of the container, because that was just a bit suspicious for me. But in terms of product performance, I like it. I think it is what they say it would be on the packaging. They did say that, you know, it's specifically designed for type 4 hair, and I like that because there is a gap in the market for 4C hair products that actually work. Because I'm sick and tired of brands that say, y'all know our products, you know, they're for every hair type. No, they're not, Cindy. Stop lying to people. When you say things like, oh no, you know, this brand is for natural hair, are you mad? Do you know how many types there are? Do you know there's like different densities? Do you know there's different porosities? So I like it when a brand actually identifies deeply. You guys can tell I just came from a walk. You see I'm even wearing, I'm still in my gym clothes, but I did take my walk in my shorts today because it was a bit warm. Thank you guys so much for placing your orders. Maybe we should do a botanical spray with you guys, like a hair mister tomorrow. I don't know, we will see, or a leave-in conditioner. I think we will see how I feel tomorrow, and then yeah, so that's it. If I don't come back, know that I will give you guys my results. If I don't come back, know that I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting African Curiosity. If you still have not been following me on my Instagram, please do so. Tell your family members to do the same. Take their phones and follow me, okay? Follow me on Instagram. We're trying to grow a page. We're trying to get more awareness more than anything, and I can't do it alone. I need your help, okay? I'm gonna need you to spread the word, right? Okay, so love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.